Sustainability is the need of the hour because sustainability can ensure resources and future. Respected teachers and my dear friends, I, Ansh, along with my friends, Dharya and Duty, are going to present the topic Innovations for Better Sustainability in 2030. We will present three innovations that will give sustainable environment for future. So, here is the master plan for the decade. Innovation number one, sustainable transport. The automobiles release about 1.7 billion tons of greenhouse gases and other toxic pollutants every year. Moreover, the production and disposal of automobiles is perilous for the environment. There are million tons of automobile waste piled up and contaminating the earth. Talking about the solution is that the globe must shift to vehicles that use solar energy and that can be recycled too. Lightyear One solar car and Fisker Ocean solar SUV are the power efficient models launched recently. The advanced solar panels on these cars keep them charged enough for long journeys. Fisker Ocean is made up of recycled material and the vehicle itself is 100% recyclable. In addition to all, cycling and walking for small distances can bring miraculous improvement health-wise, both for us and for environment. Let's take step towards sustainable health.
Innovation number 2, sustainable stubble solution. The development comes with its own cost. Earlier, with sickle harvesting, the farms were left with no stock. As you can see, no stubble remains in the field when harvesting is done by sickle. Now, with mechanized harvesting, about 2 feet tall crop remains standing in the field just to get burned down by farmers. Here, one picture shows how the precious fodder gets burned down, and the second picture shows how the cattle in our country starve. At the same time, the brick mills around the villages require constant supply of fuel for brick making. Now, if we can create a symbiotic relation between these three problems, the problems will be solved. The biocoal is made by dry plant waste. It is an efficient and sustainable alternative of regular coal. So, few villages can jointly build a biocoal production unit without much expenditure and can convert the agricultural waste into efficient and clean fuel. Another solution can be a common stray cattle shelter for 4 to 5 villages. The villagers can supply agricultural waste to feed cattle, and in return, they can get biomass manure for organic farming and improved soil fertility. Remember, it is the natural manure which can sustain farming, not the burned soil.
Innovation number 3, sustainable plastic replacement. Plastic is a curse. Projected as comfort, we keep using plastics thinking that plastics are recycled. But dear friends, it's not entirely true. Since 1950, only 12% of plastic has got recycled. Rest 88% is killing the environment mercilessly. Also, the plastic manufacturing and recycling processes are extremely polluting. My question is, can we replace plastic boxes with metals and ceramic ones in houses? And can we have alternative for plastic plates, cups, spoons, etc.? Yes, we have this now. We have an option of edible cutlery. These utensils are made up of the floors of food grains and pulses. Needless to say, they cause zero pollution, they are harmlessly disposable, or they can be eaten away. Also, there are self-disposing cutlery made up of sugarcane and bamboo fibers. They are eco-friendly and do not harm the nature by any means. Let's adopt such cutlery and give our contribution in reducing plastic usage. Avoid plastics, sustain life.
These small contributions can bring big difference. Let's hope for better sustainability.
Looking forward to 2030.
Thanks for watching.